நண்பர்களே வணக்கம். Friends, I am very happy to see all of you. First of all, I would like to read Shri Syed Munir Oda and Agni Prakash. He gave a beautiful speech. Both of them, Thiru Janardhan Menon, Dr. Senthil Kumar, parents, பெற்றோர்கள், மாணவர்கள் எல்லோருக்கும் என்னுடைய வணக்கம். Friends, it's a beautiful thing that you recognize a curious minds, a scientific minds. Just now when I entered, I went to your college exhibition. Lot of students from schools and college witnessed creative scientific experiment and results. Two experiments attached me. One is how to generate solar power, and another one how to dispose of plastics. Both are unique results. And a few days back, friends, I thought of sharing with you young fellows this side and also engineering college students that side. For all of you, a few days back, I was reading a book. Name of the book, Living Scientist. In this book, I came across Sir Humphrey Davy, Michael Faraday. You know Michael Faraday, who discovered the electricity. And Thomas Alva Edison used that electricity to make a bulb, what you are seeing, the bulb. And when I finished the reading of the book, I understood Michael Faraday had a prepared mind to somehow to join Sir Humphrey Davy to study and research in the area of chemistry, physics, electricity. At last, Michael Faraday got a temporary job in Sir Humphrey Davy's lab, and he was given the work of cleaning the laboratory equipments. After a month, Sir Humphrey Davy felt that the Michael Faraday had the skill for experiments and asked him to participate in the experiments and recorded it. This recording of the experiment elevated the mind of Sir Humphrey Davy. Slowly, Michael Faraday was empowered for full experiment, and he indicated creativity and innovation of new phenomena. And then one day he generated electricity using magnetism. We all know Faraday's law. You all studying the Faraday's law. Whereas Thomas Alva Edison, life was different. There were no teacher for him and no school in his life. He had no chance for formal education. His teacher was public library. One of the greatest things that happened in his life was he came across 2 volumes of book, Michael Faraday, volume 1, volume 2, the experimental research in electricity. These 2 books gave Edison a systematic approach to science and program how to educate himself in the fields that obsessed him. Faraday became his imaginary guru. Thomas Alva Edison, he was a young boy, had a dream. The dream was to electrify the whole of New York. Thomas Alva Edison applied the electricity and brought light through the bulb electrical system based on Faraday's law. And remember, the message we get from this triangle, Humphrey, Michael Faraday, and Thomas Alva Edison, the message we get from this triangle of the scientist is every successful person had a mentor, and the mentor sometimes becomes a real teacher. Many times even a great books can be a mentor. Now friends, young friends, for all of you, you would have always noticed that many experienced people say events or system are not possible due to some reason or other. We have also seen not possible as it's been proved and made possible. This kind of mindset starts from childhood, youth, adult and experienced. Now friends, அன்பு நண்பர்களே, இன்றைக்கு அக்னி காலேஜ் ஆஃப் டெக்னாலஜி சார்பாக நடைபெறும் அக்னிஸ் இக்னைட் சயின்ஸ் ப்ராஜெக்ட் காம்படிஷன் கலந்து கொண்டு தங்களது அறிவியல் படைப்புகளை சமர்ப்பித்த மாணவர்களையும் இந்த காம்படிஷன் கலந்து கொண்ட சந்தித்து உரையாடுவதில் நான் மிக்க மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். உங்கள் அறிவியல் விளைந்த விஞ்ஞான கண்டுபிடிப்புகளை பார்க்கும்போது அதில் புத்தாக்க சிந்தனைகள் பல்வேறு பரிணாமங்களை காண்கிறேன். நீங்கள் அனைவரும் செய்த இந்த அறிவியல் கண்டுபிடிப்புகளை பாராட்டும் முகமாக உங்களோடு ஒரு கவிதையை பகிர்ந்து கொள்ள விரும்புகிறேன். அந்த கவிதையின் பெயர் நான் பறந்து கொண்டே இருப்பேன். கவிதையின் பெயர் என்ன? நான் பிறந்தேன். நான் சொல்லுங்க, அந்த சாப்பிடலையா? நான் பிறந்தேன் அரும்பெரும் சக்தியுடன். நான் பிறந்தேன் நற்பண்புகளுடன். நான் பிறந்தேன் கனவுடன். வளர்ந்தேன் நல்ல எண்ணங்களுடன். நான் பிறந்தேன் உயர் எண்ணங்களை செயல்படுத்த. நான் பிறந்தேன் ஆராய்ச்சி உள்ளத்துடன். நான் பிறந்தேன் ஆகாய உச்சியில் பறக்க. நான் பூமியில் ஒருபோதும் தவழவே மாட்டேன். ஆகாய உச்சிதான் என் லட்சியம். பறப்பேன் வாழ்வில் பறந்து கொண்டே இருப்பேன். எத்தனை பேர் பறப்பீங்க? அன்பு நண்பர்களே, இன்றைக்கு transform yourself, unique you. சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். transform and unique you என்ற தலைப்பில் உரையாட இருக்கிறேன். நீங்கள் இருந்து இங்கே வெளியே போகும்போது, என்னுடைய பேச்சு மொழிக்கு வெளியே போகும்போது ஒவ்வொரு மாணவரும் கூடியிருக்க மாணவர் ஒவ்வொருவரும் நீங்கள் யூ ஷுட் கன்சிடர் யுவர் செல்ஃப் யூ ஆர் அ யூனிக் ஃபெலோ. ஓகே. Now for that you have to work with me now. You just see this light. When you see the light in your home also, in your classroom, there's a bulb, there's a light. Whom do you remember? Thomas Alva Edison, do you remember? That boy, when he was a 9-year boy in New York, he was using oil lamp in 19th century. He said, I will electrify the whole of New York. Yes, electrify using Faraday's principle, the whole of the world. Now friends, when the telephone bell rings, whom do you remember? Alexander Graham Bell, you remember. He was his mother and his wife He cannot communicate because both of them had the hearing defect. So he wanted to discover a device, a big telephone-like thing he discovered, and then it became a telephone afterwards. Now you are all carrying mobile telephone. Almost every Indian carrying a mobile telephone. Alexander Graham Bell, he was the father of it. Now friends, when the aircraft fly, everywhere you hear aircraft flying, whom do you remember? Whom do you remember? Wright brothers, 1903 they flew. But 1880 there was a great scientist, Lord Kelvin. He was the president of the Royal Society, London. He said, anything heavier than air cannot be flown. Anything heavier than air cannot be flown. That means aircraft cannot be flown. But he flew. Wright brothers flew. So friends, there is one lady. The whole of world there is one lady who got 2 Nobel Prizes. Who is that? Madam Curie got 2 Nobel Prizes only for discovering for one radium. Another discovery, how to apply the radium for cancer diseases. Of course, cancer killed her. So this the lady is remembered for 2 Nobel Prizes. Now friend, there was one great scientist, Indian scientist. In 1930s, he was traveling from London to Calcutta. When he reached Calcutta, and he looked at the horizon, the harbour. In those days only ship was moving. He looked at the horizon and sky was blue, sea was blue. He asked, why sky is blue? Why sea is blue? He has to work in Calcutta scientific laboratory. 11 years to discover it is because of backscattering of the light. He got a Nobel Prize for that. Who is that? Sir C.V. Raman got a Nobel Prize for physics in 1930s. So friends, you will find there are people, you are almost in Chennai. There's a great mathematician long ago, and number theory, he brought the number theory, and he could not get admission to the college because he failed every subject except mathematics. Mathematics got 105 for 100. His professor was so liberal, he said he deserves more mark. But because he could not pass many subjects, he could not get in Kumbakonam college admission. But his papers, he used to write papers. It reached London. Cambridge University it reached. And Professor Hardy came here, lifted that person and made him Royal Society member. And number theory is well known throughout the world. Even now, there are hundreds of problems to be solved what he has posed. Remember his name? Srinivasa Ramanujam. So friends, with all these things, I want to tell you, friends, I have so far met myself 20 million youths in 2 decades time in your age group. College boys, girls, and high school boys and high school girls. I learnt. What did I learn? When I interact with them, thousands of people, I learnt. Every youth wants to be unique. That is you. But the world all around you is doing its best day and night to make you just everybody else. I will read it again. Every youth wants to be unique, that is you. But the world around you, including your home, world around you is doing its best, day and night, to make you just everybody else. Now, dear young friends, how many of you, now you have to be unique you, in spite of that. If you want to be unique you, the challenge, my young friends, is that you have to fight the hardest battle. If you want to unique you fight the hardest battle which any human being can ever imagine to fight, and never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place, that is unique you. Friends, what will be your tool to fight the battle? What are they? I studied all the unique people just now. When I said bulb and light, you said Thomas Alva Edison. When I said telephone bell ring, you all students, you said it's Alexander Graham Bell. When I said 2 Nobel Prizes, one lady, you can remember radium discoverer, Madam Curie. And then the Sir C.V. Raman becoming a Nobel Prize, you remember. Srinivasa Ramanujan number theory, remember. Why remember them? Why? Because their achievements are unique. Their achievements are unique. So friends, if you want to be unique, I have studied all the unique people, what I shared with you. They had 4 great qualities. If you want to become unique college student and high school student, you want to be a unique. Number 1, great quality you must have. You must have a great aim. Small aim is a crime. You must have great aim. Second one, you have to continuously acquire the knowledge through great books, to great human beings, and great teachers. Okay, great teachers. Third one, of course, hard work, which you do examination time, but all the time you have to do. And then fourth, of course, idimbaikki idimbai padappar, idimbaikki idimbai padadavar. That means you have to give defeat. You have to defeat the defeating. Okay? Tholvikku tholvi kodukka vendum. That means you must have, any problem occurs, you become a captain of the problem, defeat the problem, and succeed. Perseverance. So if you want to become a unique personality in the high school student, college student, you must have 4 qualities. Number one, great aim. Number 2, continuously acquire the knowledge. Number 3, hard work. Number 4, perseverance. If you have all these 4 qualities, you will become unique fellows, unique boys and girls. How many of you want to become unique? How many of you want to become unique? How many of you want to become? Very good number. Okay? Wish you all the best. Now, friends, I want to talk to you about unique people. You know, according to me, according to the laws of aerodynamics, have you seen the bumblebee? A karuvandu, bumblebee theriyuma? அது மாதிரி கருப்பாக இருக்கும், உருண்டையாக இருக்கும். According to the laws of aerodynamics, the bumblebee should never able to fly. If I calculate, it's a round shape. It will make a sound when it flies. Because of the size, weight and shape of its body in relation to total wingspan, flying is scientifically impossible. The bumblebee, being ignorant of the scientific theory, goes ahead and flies anyway. Because it wants to fly. Bumblebee wants to fly. And it's flying. I would like the youth assembly to take lesson from this example and make everything possible because they are unique. So how many of you want to become unique? All of you guys will become unique. Friends, as a youth to become a unique, here our teacher has a great role and inspiration. Let me now recall my own experience with great teacher who shaped my life in college. Teacher makes student autonomous learner. அன்புள்ள நண்பர்களே, எனது ஆசிரியரின் பெயர் ரெவரண்ட் ஃபாதர் சின்னத்துரை, சென்ட் ஜோஸ் காலேஜ். 1950 54 வரையிலே இன்றைக்கு வாழும் மகான் அவர். அவர்தான் எனக்கு பிசிக்ஸ், நியூக்ளியர் பிசிக்ஸ் சொல்லிக் கொடுத்தார். அவர் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கும் விதம்தான் எங்களுக்கு நியூக்ளியர் பிசிக்ஸ் மீது ஆழ்ந்த பற்றை உருவாக்கியது. அவர் பாடப்புத்தகத்தை மட்டும் வைத்து சொல்லித் தருபவர் அல்ல. பாரதிதாசன் வரியில் சொல்வார்களே, அறிவு விரிசை அகண்டவாக்கு விசால பார்வையில் விழுங்கு என்று. அதை போல் என் ஆசிரியர் அடிப்படை அறிவியலை தெளிவாக விளக்கி மாணவர்களாகிய எங்கள் நூலகத்திற்கு அனுப்பி அதன் தொடர்பாக பல்வேறு நூல்களை தேடி படித்து எங்கள் அறிவை விசாலமாக்குவார், எங்கள் பார்வையை அகண்டமாக்குவார். அவர் கற்பித்த விதம் தான் எங்கள் வாழ்நாள் முழுவதிலும் படிப்புள்ள ஆர்வத்தையும் எதையும் தீர்க்கமாக தெரிந்து கொள்வதின் அவசியத்தையும் அறிவை தேடி பெறவும் தன்னார்வமாக கற்பதை ஊக்குவித்தது. இப்பொழுது திருமூலரின் திருமந்திரம் என் நினைவுக்கு வருகிறது. அவர் கல்வியறிவை பற்றி சொல்லும்போது திருமூலர் சொல்லுகிறார், வெள்ளத்தால் போகாது, வெந்தனால் வேகாது, கொள்ளைதான் போகாது, கொடுத்தாலும் குறையாது, கள்ளருக்குள் எட்டாது, காவலுக்குள் அமையாது, உள்ளத்தேல் பொருள் இருக்க ஊரில் உழைத்து உழல்வானே என்று. எனவே மாணவ நண்பர்களே, நீங்கள் கற்கும் கல்விதான் உங்களோடு வரும் அறிவை தரும் வாழ்க்கைக்கு உறுதுணையாக இருக்கும். அப்படிப்பட்ட கல்வி கொடுக்கும் ஆசான் நமது வாழ்க்கையில் மிக முக்கியமானவர். என் ஆசிரியர் ஃபாதர் சின்னத்துரை தனது 90வது வயதில் திண்டுக்கல்லில் வசிக்கிறார். எப்பொழுதெல்லாம் நம் திண்டுக்கல் சென்றாலும் எனது மனம் கவர்ந்த என் ஆசானை சந்திக்க தவறுவதில்லை. Now, dear friends, I saw some of your work at today's exhibition from different parts of the Tamil Nadu. Dear friends, since I am with a student who are shortly going to decide what stream they should carve out for their career, I should like to share with you one question. What is the uniqueness of being a scientist? What is the uniqueness of being a scientist? I am going to answer that question, okay? Because I hope many of you will become scientists, right? Friends, science gives you, now I am going to advocate for science, okay? Science gives you better eyes. Because science can remove the mental blindfolds and it gives your brain challenge to solve many scientific problems that are yet to be solved. There are hundreds of problems yet to be solved. For example, are we alone? Planet Earth has got 7 billion people and we are 8 planets for the sun. There are millions and millions of suns in space. And so our galaxy, billions of galaxies. Are we alone? This question humanity have to, science only can answer. When people in general talk in dimension, just less than 1 millimeter or few 100,000 kilometer requirement in flight, the scientists will easily move from behavior from proton. Proton means 10 to the power of minus 15 meter to the size of the visible universe, approximately 10 into 28 power of 28 meters, that means 43 orders of magnitude. Most of our friends who are not in the field of science will slice the time, perhaps maximum up to 1/100th of a second. Scientists will slice the time to femtosecond. That is the 10 to the power of 15 second, which may decide the fast photochemical reaction. When you think way back time, it will be a big bang, some 15,000 million years ago, and the beginning in the life of Earth about 3,800 million years ago. Again, you will be ahead of 17 to 18 orders of magnitude. Science indeed will connect you into the brains of many smart people who were before you, before me. Hence, science makes you feel good to stand on the shoulders of the giants like Isaac Newton, discoverer of the law of gravitational force. Albert Einstein, the discoverer of the general relativity theory. Stephen Hawking explained the string theory with an attempt to integrate multiple laws of the nature. Sir C.V. Raman, the discoverer of the Raman effect. Chandrasekhar Subramanian, discoverer of the Chandra limit, the black hole. Srinivasa Ramanujan's number of theory originator. You are standing on the shoulders. So friends, also I would like to give how young friends can become a great inventors, discoverers. What the unique nature of thinking minds and discoverers and inventors of the world. Remember, invention and discoveries have emanated from creative minds that have been constantly working, imagining the outcome in the mind, with the imagining constant effort, all the forces of the universe work for that inspired mind, thereby leading to invention and discoveries. Now, there are 3 unique friends to make you great. 3 unique friends make you great. One is they are great books, great human beings, and great teachers. And you should have the capacity to nurture the creative minds and imagining minds. Finally, friends, I want to talk to you. I have written all sorts of things, but I want to talk to you. You know, we need, when you come to this hall, Agni College, some of you would have come in the bus, some of you the scooter. Remember, 1 liter of a petrol generate 2 kilograms of carbon dioxide. The whole world generates every year 30 gigatons of carbon dioxide. That's how our atmosphere is polluted. What do you do? But our solar power, sun radiates every day 8 hours. It is time we go for beautiful natural power, solar power, and we have 250 million houses in the country. In India, 250 million houses. Into 4 is a billion people. Imagine 250 million houses. 200. India, approximately 200 million houses out of 60 million houses do not have access to electricity. My suggestion is necessity of national policy. Provide grid independent distributed generation solar panel houses to these dwellings first, which can be extended to other 140 million houses gradually. The integrated business solution integrated business solution will bring down the cost of solar power generation. For example, my home Rameshwaram, solar power, it has become highly economical. This I did because my brother is age 98. Power cut was there. To avoid 24 hours he may get the power, I have put a solar powered house with a battery will charge. Night power he gets it. So integrated business solution will bring down the cost of solar power generation and also distribution. And the action of creating solar panel house and street light will release nearly 50,000 to 60,000 megawatt of power for use by various sectors of economy, propelling the national growth. So every one of you in your home, you must propagate a solar powered house, a clean house, happy house. Now friends, when you are with me, I told you how to become unique. You got it, I suppose, how to become unique. Also I told you you should fly. Each one of you should fly. Third thing I am going to tell you, culture of excellence. The college students and high school students, primary school students, all of you aim culture of excellence. What is culture of excellence? You all belong to a student community which stand for a culture of excellence. And excellence is not by accident. It's a process where an individual or an organization or nation continuously strives to better oneself. The performance standards are set by themselves. They work on their dreams with focus and are prepared to take calculated risk and do not get deterred by failures as they move towards their dreams. Then they step up their dreams as they tend to reach the original targets. They strive to work to their potential in the process. They increase their performance, thereby multiplying further their potential, and this is an unending life cycle of phenomena. They are not in competition with anyone else but themselves. That is the culture of excellence. So young friends, so far I have given you 3 important aspects for your growth. One, you will fly. You dream to fly. Second one, how you can become unique. Third one, culture of excellence. You have to develop culture of excellence. Then only every possibility is there. Now friends, in conclusion, I would like to ask you, what you like to be remembered for? You know, when I said light, bulb, you remembered Thomas Alva Edison. When I said the Nobel lady, two Nobel prizes, you can remember Nobel lady, that is Madame Curie. Physics for backscattering, you can remember Sir C.V. Raman. Number theory, you can remember Srinivasa Ramanujan. That means you have to become unique. Now I am asking each one of you, note down, or put a point, what you like to be remembered for, each one of you. You have to evolve yourself and shape your life. You should write it on a page. That page may be a very important page in a book of human history. You will be remembered for creating that one page history of the nation, whether that page is the page of invention, page of innovation, or page of discovery, or a page of creating a societal change, or a page of removing poverty, or the page of fighting injustice, or page of planning and executing mission of networking of rivers. My best wishes to all the members present here and success in their scientific mission. May God bless you all, friends. Now you are going to take a oath. You are hungry? Are you hungry? No. You can take a oath. Yes or no? Okay. Science is my lifetime mission. I will work and succeed. Wherever I am, a thought will always come to my mind. That is what I can innovate, invent or discover. I realize I have to set a great scientific goal that will lead me to think high, work and persevere to realize the goal. My greatest friends, silent side, my greatest friends will be great scientific minds, great teachers, great books. I firmly believe. You have not eaten for 3 days. I firmly believe. I told your principal to give you a good food. My greatest friend will be great scientific minds, great teachers, and great books. I firmly believe no problem can defeat me. I will become captain of the problem, defeat the problem, and succeed. I will work for removing the problem faced by planet Earth in the areas of water, energy, habitat, waste management and environment through the application of science and technology. My national flag flies in my heart, and I will bring glory to my nation. Thank you, friends. You are all smart guys. Now, student community, students, college student, high school student. This side, 2 questions, school students. If you don't ask question, I will transfer that side. This side, 2 questions for college students, engineering college students, or any student. Okay? Who will start? Only student. What?
Which is the best way of learning?
Now, which class you are studying? Which class you are studying?
12th.
What subject you have taken?
Science.
Science? There's nothing like that. Physics, chemistry, mathematics you have taken?
Physics, chemistry, mathematics.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me, what the question?
Which is the best way of learning? The theoretical way or the practical way?
Well, there is nothing theoretical way or practical way. You know, I had a teacher. His name is Siva Subramania Iyer. Okay? When I was 10-year boy, 5th class I was studying in Rameshwaram, 1941, British India. Which India?
British India.
What India you live now? India's India. India's India you live now. Okay?
Yes.
I was living British India when I was a school boy. He went to the blackboard. He goes to the blackboard and put a sketch of a bird and teaches us how birds fly with wings, tail and all. That evening he took us to seashore, shows the birds flying. So theory and the experiment, a great teacher will teach you together. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
One more question, decide. One more question. Okay. Yeah, what's your name?
My name is S. Bhuneshwari.
No, that girl. You are the friend. I want to go beyond the friend also. Yes. Yes. She was lifting her head for a long time now. Okay. Yes.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். ஐயா அவர்களுக்கு இதயம் கனிந்த அன்பு வணக்கம்.
அது சரி, என்னம்மா கொஸ்டின்? கொஸ்டின் என்னம்மா? கொஸ்டினை விட்டு என்னம்மா பேசுறீங்க?
2020 இந்தியா வல்லரசு அப்படின்றது நினைக்கும் பொழுதே பரவசமா இருக்கு. அது சார்ந்ததுல ஒரு
ஆகுமா?
ஆகும் ஆகும் கண்டிப்பாக ஆகும்ன்ற கனவு எங்க கிட்டலாம் இருக்கு.
என்ன கொஸ்டின்
ஐயா?
என்ன கொஸ்டின்? உன்னுடைய கொஸ்டின் என்னம்மா?
அறிவியல் சார்ந்த தொழில்நுட்பம் வளர்ச்சி வந்துட்டு நகர்ப்புறத்துல அதிகமா இருக்கு, கிராமப்புறத்துல இல்லன்னு சொல்றதுல அதற்கான வாய்ப்புகள் ரொம்ப குறைவா இருக்கு. அதை அதிகப்படுத்துறதுக்கு நாங்களா என்ன பண்ணணும்? உங்களுடைய தீர்வு என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் ஆவலா இருக்கேன்.
இல்ல கொஸ்டின். நாங்கள் என்ன பண்ண வேண்டும்? மாணவர்களாய் நீ எத்தனாவது படிக்கிற?
+2 இப்பதான் அரசு பொது தேர்வு முடிச்சிட்டு வந்திருக்கேன்.
என்ன சப்ஜெக்ட்?
சயின்ஸ் குரூப்.
சயின்ஸ் என்னமா?
பிசிக்ஸ், கெமிஸ்ட்ரி, மேத்ஸ்.
ஓகே. நவ தேர் இஸ் ஒரு திட்டம் இருக்கு இப்போ. கவர்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் இந்தியா திட்டம். அந்த திட்டம் என்னன்னா புரான் பேர். புரா மீன்ஸ் ப்ரொவைடிங் அர்பன் அமெனிட்டிஸ் ரூரல் ஏரியா. இந்தியாவில் 60,000 வில்லேஜஸ் இருக்கு. அதில் 70% ஆஃப் த பீப்புள் லிவ் தேர். தட் மீன்ஸ் 700 million people live in the villages. அது புறாங்கிற ஒரு திட்டம் மூலம் ஃபிசிக்கல் கனெக்டிவிட்டி, எலக்ட்ரானிக் கனெக்டிவிட்டி, நாலேஜ் கனெக்டிவிட்டி, so that economic connectivity, employment potential will increase. So these I hope in 5 years time such scheme will come in a big way, so there will not be a difference between the urban area and the rural area. Okay, nalla question. Okay.
Thank you.
This side you follow, this side you follow, silent follows. Oh, yes. Yes. Enna padikira nee?
Sir, I'm 3rd year CSE from Agni College of Technology. I'm Yamni Priyanka. So my question is, what is the...
Enna padikirama?
Sir?
What do you study?
3rd year, sir. Computer Science and Engineering.
Acha. Final year?
3rd year, sir.
3rd year?
Yes, sir.
What branch you are studying?
Sir?
Mechanical or electronics?
Computer Science, sir.
Okay.
Okay, my question to you is, what is the actual barrier development of our India?
What is the?
Actual barrier development of our India.
My feeling is of course you know information technology, the nanotechnology, then the information nano and biotechnology. These 3 areas are there in a big way India is doing. But there is one branch is coming, what's called convergence of technology. What is called?
Convergence.
Well, repeat with me.
Convergence of technology.
This convergence of technology, bioscience, nanoscience, and information science, they all join together. Okay? New type of product system is going to come. You know, big area is going to emerge out of convergence of technology. Okay? Good question. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. One more question this side. No question this side. I will transfer there.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ajit J of Mechanical Department, studying in Agni College of Technology. My question is,
which year you are?
I'm in 1st year, sir.
1st year.
My question is,
what's your dream?
My dream is to become a scientist in nitrogen.
No.
Using nitrogen
See,
in industrial
what happened? Science, millions of scientists are there in the world, okay?
Yes, sir.
But you remember this fellow? You remember this fellow? The light fellow? The bulb and light fellow, you remember?
Yes, sir, we do remember.
So, you have to be remembered for your scientific contribution, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
That means you have to be unique. What's the question?
My question is, in your opinion, how we can make use of small and medium enterprises for global development?
Well, I personally believe India, we have millions of small scale industry. Okay, millions, not one number, 2 number. And also it's beyond urban area. It is reached in between urban area and rural area, okay? So we have to, what they need is technology. The institution like engineering colleges, and they should patronize small scale industries and provide them technology, provide them latest technology so that they can do the value addition to the product what they are doing, so that the economy will grow. Okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, friends. Now I have got Sendil Kumar, principal, sir. Vango, Sendil Kumar, principal. This for your library. For your library.
Sir.
This book for you.